Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this velvet magnetic effect using Holo playing the field. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Sticky Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. I'm going to be applying 2 coats of Playing the Field, and then I'll be magnetizing on the 3rd coat, as well as the top coat. For the 3rd coat, I'm going to be applying the magnet, and I am using the Holo Super Magnet. Depending on the size of your finger and how exactly you like your velvet, you may be able to just rest your finger in there at the bottom. I like to have my finger a little bit more elevated, and instead of trusting myself to hover there, I like to put a little piece of sponge kind of resting in the magnet like that. So I'm going to be applying the 3rd coat, and then I'm going to be putting the finger into there and holding for about a minute to around 90 seconds. Finally, once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish off with the top coat, and since we're working with magnetics, I'm going to be using Holo Glossy Taco. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I did receive the Holo Magnetic Attraction Collection as well as the Super Magnet as PR, and after playing with all of the polishes, it was a pretty easy decision to choose this one as my manicure because it's just hitting all of my favorite colors and it looks so cool. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time. Both the base polish and the magnetic pigment are multi-chrome in this. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, which also has my first impressions of the collection, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.